Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to do search and filter brands for the admin. So let's see how can we implement the search and filter on the brand page. So first of all, go to the brands view file and here let's find the search box. You can see here this div and this div is for the filter the brand. This is the search box and this is the status select control. Okay, now here after this div, inside this div just remove this div and add here the form tag and action is equal to put here the route name, which is this one, route, and then admin dot brands. Okay, and method get. And now also close this form, so just remove this div and write here form. And now inside this search box just put here the name equal to search and value is equal to, just put here the double curly bracket, then request, and inside this just pass here the search. Okay, this will getting the search value from the query string. Alright, now inside this select control just add here the value for active 1 and for inactive put here the value 0. And inside the select control just write here the name, which is status, and add here the event on change event, and then this dot form dot call the submit method. And here inside this active option right here double curly bracket, if use here the ternary operator, so write here request and pass here the status. If a status is equal to 1, then question mark, and if request status is equal to 1, then just put here the selected. Okay, otherwise blank. Now copy this and paste inside this inactive option and just change here the value 0. And after this let's add here a link for clear the filter. So first to check here if request and then put here the e search, or if request and then a status, then if request search or request status has some value, then just show this link for clear the filter. And after this just close the if directive, so right here @endif. After this step just add here a submit button, so right here button type is equal to submit and class hidden. Okay, and just close here the button. Now save this view and go to the AdminController, and here inside the brands method, here is the brand method. Okay, now let's add the code for applying the filter. So first of all just right here first start the query, so right here $query is equal to model name brand : query, and after this just add here the if condition and check if search has some value, then with this query just put here the where condition name like and here just add here the percent sign, and inside this curly bracket just write here search, this one. And after this just add here the if condition again for the status. So first check here the status. If a status has value, then just cut this and remove these quotes and put here query arrow where, and pass here this status dollar status. Okay, and after this just write here dollar brands. Okay, and query arrow order by id descending, and set the pagination size 10, and for accepting the query string, and for adding the query string with the link pagination link just add here with query string. Okay, this method. Now just remove this line. Okay, now save this. Now let's check. So go back to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, here's some mistake, route name admin dot, okay, spelling mistake. So go back to the view, and inside the form just write here brands. Okay, now save, and again refresh the page. Now first of all let's add some brands. So click on add new brand and write here brand 2, select the brand image, make as active. Okay, now add one more brand 3, let's say this one, this image, set as active. Okay, now let's check this search box. So just write here let's say update and hit enter. Okay, here is the problem, same problem, route name. So go back to the view file, and here just correct the name, brands name. Okay, route name brands. Now save this and just refresh the page, and you can see here the filtered brands. Now just remove and put here the 2, hit enter, and you can see here the brand 2. Okay, and if I click on this clear link, you can see here filter is cleared. Now let's check this drop down status filter. So just I'm going to select this one, active one, and you can see here the brands are filtered according to this status. If I select inactive, okay, it's not working. Okay, problem is inside this if condition. If when selecting the inactive it get false the if statement, then it is not executed. So for solving this issue, just remove this and add here request and field method, and inside this just pass here the status. Okay, and after this just pass here the value which is request and pass here the status. Okay, now save this. Now let's check again. So just refresh the page, and this time you can see here the inactive brand only. Now select the active, you can see here the active brands, and if I click on all status, you can see here all the brands. Here when we selecting the inactive, it's not showing the clear link. If I select the active, you can see here the clear link. So let's resolve this issue. So go back to the view, brands view, and here inside this if just remove this and add here request and then field, and just pass here the status. Okay, now save this and now refresh the page, and you can see here the clear link. Okay, if I select active, tilde link, inactive, okay, and now just click on clear. Now it's working. This video covers brand search and filter for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.